In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a poll in a Substack post. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to add a simple, effective poll to any article you publish on your Substack publication. I'll move step by step, so feel free to follow along in your own browser as you listen. First, open your web browser and go to substack.com. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign into your account so you can access your publication's dashboard. Once you're logged in, you should see the usual Substack interface with your publication name and a few options for creating content. This is your main hub for everything you write and send out to your subscribers. From here, look for the button or link labeled Create. This is usually located near the top of the screen and is the starting point for making anything new in Substack, whether that's a post, a podcast episode, or another format. Go ahead and click on Create. This tells Substack that you're ready to start drafting new content. After you click Create, you'll see a few options for what type of content you want to make. For adding a poll to a written piece, you'll want to create a standard article. So choose the option labeled Article. Clicking Article opens up the Substack editor where you can type your title, write your content, and eventually insert your poll. Once the article editor is open, you'll see a simple writing interface with space for your headline at the top and a larger space below for your body text. You can start drafting your post here, or if you already have your text prepared, you can paste it in. It's usually a good idea to think about where in your article you want the poll to appear. Many writers place it after explaining a topic or at the end of the post to gather feedback or check readers' opinions. Now, to actually add the poll, move your attention to the top right area of the editor. You'll see several controls there, including options to adjust settings or access additional tools. Look for the option labeled More. This is where Substack keeps some of the extra features that aren't directly visible on the main toolbar. Click on More to open that menu. Inside this menu, you'll find an option called Poll. This is the tool you'll use to embed a poll directly into your article. Go ahead and click Poll. When you do, Substack will insert a poll block into your post. From there, you can type your poll question, add different answer choices, and customize it to fit your content. Take a moment to write a clear, concise question and a small set of options so it's easy for readers to respond. Once your poll is in place, you can continue editing the rest of your article, preview the post to make sure everything looks right, and then publish as usual. Your readers will see the poll embedded in the post and can vote with a single click. And that's all it takes to create a poll in a Substack post.